Bonjour, today we are going to get access this video relevant to greetings, how to pronounce greetings in French and their phrases. We'll check each and everything with example. Let's check this. We call it as S, and whereas nous means no. S'il vous plaît means please, and merci, thank you, and merci beaucoup means thanks a lot. And even one more thing we can say for thank you, thanks a lot, merci bien means thanks a lot, and whereas merci beaucoup, thanks a lot. Merci is nothing but thank you. De rien means you are welcome, and oui merci, yes please. Excuse me moi means excuse me. Pardon means it is excused. Excused for me means nothing but excuse me. And je regrette means sorry. Je regrette means sorry. And bonjour is nothing but hello. And au revoir means goodbye. Bon après-midi, good afternoon. And bonne nuit means good night. Bonsoir means good evening. And comment ça va? How are you? And bien à vous means very well, and you. So, à bientôt, see you later. Ashante means it's nice to meet you. Comment vous appelez comment? Comment vous appelez-vous means what is your name? Now, je m'appelle Chaitanya. So, my name is Chaitanya. So, hope guys understood. Try to work on this. These are the major free greetings phrases we use majorly in French. Thank you. Merci.